Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Medicine Info, your trusted channel for health and medicine related content. Today we are going to talk about a very popular and commonly used medicine, Wintogeno Gam, also known as Wintogeno Balm. This is a topical medication used for relieving muscular and joint pain. In this detailed video, we will cover everything you need to know about Wintogeno Gam, its ingredients, uses, benefits, how to apply it, side effects, and precautions. If you or someone at your home suffers from muscle pain, joint stiffness, swelling, or injuries, this video will be very helpful. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. What is Wintogeno Gam? Wintogeno Gam is a medicated balm used externally to relieve pain, swelling, or muscle stiffness. It works by penetrating the skin and improving blood circulation in the affected area. The key ingredients include menthol, provides a cooling sensation and numbs the pain. Methyl salicylate, reduces inflammation deep within the muscles. Camphor, produces warmth and helps muscles relax. These three ingredients work synergistically to provide quick and lasting pain relief. Uses of Wintogeno Gam. Wintogeno Gam is useful in many conditions such as muscle cramps caused by sudden movement or lifting heavy objects, sprains or ankle twists, especially while walking or playing, lower back pain due to prolonged sitting or physical strain, joint pain in knees, elbows, or fingers, common in elderly individuals, swelling after injury or bumping into something, neck or shoulder stiffness, usually from sleeping in the wrong posture. It's also used during massage therapy to provide relaxation and ease muscular tension. Benefits of Wintogeno Gam. Wintogeno Gam provides instant relief from pain and discomfort. As soon as you apply it, a cooling effect soothes the area, followed by gentle warmth that improves blood flow and reduces swelling. It offers a natural and safe alternative to oral painkillers and helps relieve discomfort without harsh chemicals. The balm is especially helpful after gym workouts or heavy physical activity. If you're an athlete, laborer, or fitness enthusiast, this product should be in your bag. It relaxes tired muscles and helps you recover faster after physical strain. How to use Wintogeno Gam. First, clean the affected area with water to remove dirt or sweat. Take a small amount of balm on your fingertip and gently massage it into the skin. Continue rubbing until it's fully absorbed. Wash your hands with soap afterward to avoid accidental contact with eyes or mouth. You can apply it 2 to 3 times a day, especially before bed and in the morning. For better results, apply it after a warm bath when the skin pores are open. Precautions. While using, do not apply the balm near eyes, mouth, nose, or on open wounds. If it accidentally touches any sensitive area, rinse with plenty of water. Keep it out of children's reach. They might unintentionally touch their eyes or mouth after contact. If you feel itchiness, redness, or burning after applying, stop using it and consult a doctor. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should seek a doctor's advice before using it. Possible side effects. Wintogeno Gam is generally safe when used properly. However, some people may experience minor side effects such as mild skin irritation, redness, or burning sensation, allergic reaction to its fragrance. If any of these occur, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Conclusion. 830. Wintogeno Gam is a trusted and effective product for pain relief. When used properly, it can eliminate the need for heavy painkillers or costly physiotherapy sessions. We hope this video helped you understand how to use Wintogeno Gam effectively. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave your feedback in the comments, and subscribe to Medicine Info for more informative videos. Until next